Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn 2D shapes and colors. So let's start the video. Learn some colors name. Black color, violet color, yellow color, orange color, green color and pink color. Black color. Trace the shapes. Circle, triangle, pentagon, star, square, semicircle, circle, orange color, triangle, violet color. Which shape is this? Triangle, violet color. Next shape is pentagon, brown color, pentagon, brown color. Star, yellow color. Which shape is this, kids? Star, yellow color. Square, red color. Square, red color. Semicircle, semicircle, green color. Semicircle, green color. Circle, orange color. Triangle, violet color. Pentagon, brown color. Star, yellow color. Square, red color. And which shape is this? Semicircle with a green color. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.